Hi, my name is Lorenz. I'm co-founder and CTO of Sentient Machines, where I basically run technology, all things.
Very cool. And are you enjoying the CogX event so far?
Yeah, I think CogX is a very good event. We get loads of good contacts, and we also get to know what's going on in the industry, something that normally we don't really have time to look at because we're a startup, we're running. Yeah.
Very cool. And what problems are you solving at the moment over at Sentient?
So we're building a platform that is basically geared towards understanding humans and more specifically human communication. In particular, it's spoken conversations that we're analyzing and where we are providing a service for anyone who has a large number of incoming contacts over phone, mostly, could also be email or chat.
Yeah, okay. And can you give some examples of like money you've made companies, or how much you've saved them, or what you've sped something up for them?
Yeah, so at the moment we're mainly focused on quality assurance, training and compliance. And they are using our tools. Our customers have been able to improve their efficiency in all of these areas by up to 60%. And this is saving them a lot of money.
Very cool, very cool. And what do you think, where do you think enterprise companies are missing the most opportunities in terms of AI at the moment?
I think across the board. I mean, like what we're doing, we're basically helping our customers understanding their customers better. And this typically has been done manually. And with AI and with technology, they can now do this at the large scale and basically capture 100% of all of the customer feedback that they're getting. Other than that, I think there are still some old problems that still persist. I think integration is a big one. So, like tearing down all the data silos and combining them across the companies and making use of it, specifically also for machine learning purposes. In terms of machine learning itself, it's very hard for me to judge because I have been out of the traditional industry now for a while, but assuming not too much has changed since then, I think big corporations are primarily busy catching up with what the new technology people do. And I think for this, like Selden's middleware, for example, has the potential to be instrumental.
Yeah, okay, very cool. And so on that point, where do you think the biggest shift in focus will be over the next 12 months in terms of innovation and artificial intelligence?
I don't know if it's going to be a real shift or it's more going to be like a constant drift. I think more and more of the discussions in the industry is going to move towards what can we do with the data that we already have, and how can we complement it with data that we get from external sources. So I don't think there is a massive shift in that sense. It's just going to continuously evolve in that direction, I think.
Yeah. Very cool. And one last question. What advice would you give anybody who's looking to start a business?
Maybe talk to an entrepreneur first. That's the incubator that we have gone through, and I think it's a very good place to start.
Very good. Well, big high five. Thanks very much for your time.
You're
Appreciate
welcome.
it, mate.